How to fix Facebook professional dashboard option not showing problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If professional dashboard option is not showing on Facebook, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is update the Facebook app to the latest version. For that you want to launch Open Play Store or App Store. Now you want to tap on the search bar. Here you want to type Facebook and search for that. Now, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After updating the application, you will get all the features of Facebook. Now, you want to open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the three lines on the top right corner and check if the Facebook professional dashboard is available or not. If it is still not available, then you want to make sure that you have enabled the professional mode over here. For this, you want to tap on your username, then tap on these three dots. Now, you want to find the option of turn on professional mode. Tap on that. Now tap on the turn on option. Then you want to follow through the process over here. And as you can see, your professional mode has been enabled. Here you have the professional dashboard option. Tap on the go to professional dashboard. And as you can see, you have easily accessed your professional dashboard. Now, if you head back, you will be able to access the professional dashboard from here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.